We're facing each other.
Is he mad? No, he's not mad.
금세 사람이야.
아니 근데 줄을 그냥 타는 게 아니라
어제 해봤다 진짜.
이게
제가 해도 돼요.
패들이라는 거야.
Do
운전대.
you want me to do it?
운전대를 이렇게 하고 무겁게 나가.
내가 찍어줄게.
너 혹시 선크림
교대로 해서.
선크림을 안 발라봤구나.
그냥
줄을 풀어 저거.
show more view than you.
제가 잡을게요.
First me and then you. Okay,
줄 풀어서 여기 안에서 집에 여기
let's go.
하는 걸 가르쳐줄게.
Okay, ladies and
앉아.
gentlemen.
이제 좀
Jinny as a pirate.
자세를 낮추면서 그렇지. 그렇지.
어제 타봤어. 출발.
Whoa! Here I go. Woohoo! Woo! Wow, look, Chad. Look under. Yeah,
Oh,
I'm
you
let's
did
try to
really
find the
good.
fish.
Yeah, you're doing really good. If you want to see fish, you should find rock.
Huh?
Rock.
Rock? Okay.
Because fish live around rock.
그리고
Whoa.
지금 거꾸로 가고 있어. 반대로 하고 있어. 저가 지금
Oh,
아, 그래요?
I am the behind.
하고 있는데 반대로.
Okay.
아니 저렇게도 갈 수 있겠는데 저항을 받아서
Try to turn. Try to turn, Jinny. Yeah.
지금 노젓는 데가 있잖아.
네.
Hui.
내가 지금 반대로 가고 있는 뒤쪽이 앞쪽이야 실은.
아, 내가. Okay, so we have to speak with
물론 거기서
360.
그렇게도 할 수가 있기는 하는데 그러니까 원래 패드를 하려면은 저쪽 친구가 패드를 하고 거기가 찍고 있으면 방향이 더 나와.
Ah.
그것도 원래 있잖아. 요걸 하면 이렇게 잡는 거야. 그럼 둘이 붙여갖고 놀아. 놀 때 물놀이하고.
Ah. Okay.
나는 이런 데
Wow. Cool.
나 옆 자격증도 있잖아.
But if this way, then I cannot go that way.
It's okay. You can just do whatever. Yeah. Let's go. Translate. Just paddle it.
Where is that? Where's the fish?
Maybe over there. Maybe over there. If we find shark, I'll gift you guys 1,000 subs. Dolphin 100. One fish, 10 subs. Find them, guys. Find them.
Try to find fish.
Damn it. They're all hiding.
Oh, there.
Where?
There are.
I
There are a
can't-
lot. There are a lot.
Can't see.
There are a lot.
I can't.
They're camouflaged with rock. 돌 때문에.
Can you see?
Yeah, there are tons of fish over there.
I can't. Oh shit, sorry.
It's okay. Tons of fish are underwater.
You're lying.
No. What do you mean lying? I saw tons of fish over there.
Do you see? Here, look, let me. You were lying.
There are tons of fish.
Damn.
Try to find cat. I saw a lot.
Dude,
But it's
Wait.
a camouflage with rock.
camouflaging rock, probably just rock.
No.
아, 그럼 나 이거 생각보다 많이 했다. 나는 그 누군지 알았어.
Oh, there. See? One.
Where?
It's gone.
Yeah.
See?
You're lying. Close to
You
horse
can't see
shit.
at all, Shan?
거기 보여?
안 보여요.
보이지?
Yeah, no, I saw it. Why? All we're blind?
유기.
I saw like 5 fish.
5 fish.
Yeah.
친구는 있잖아. 레드알 복자리 아닌 복자리 입은 친구 있잖아.
저요?
어.
네.
흥이 많은 것 같아.
아,
그 춤을 추대고 아무튼 우리 한국 사람들이 흥이 많아.
유기, are you tripping? Are you high? Did you smoke something in the morning?
Huh?
Did you smoke something in the morning? I don't see any fish.
Look, she looked like she float on water right now, isn't it? It's kind of look like that to me. Maybe like this. magic, right? It's a little bit looks like that, right?
It's cool, but I hope there was more fish, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to the rock then. I will paddle with my hand.
Gotta paddle with my hand.
Any dolphin? No. Today's a really good. Yuki, do you want to do the scuba diving?
Yeah, sure.
여기서 할 수 있대. 여기서 그거 옷 입고 we can wear the clothes and then we can go see fish, but we only put our face, half of the face, under the water to see, and we can also put chat, half of the chat. Yeah, and then internet works.
Yeah, I think that will work.
Do you guys want to do it? Ask your chat too.
Don't you have GoPro?
I do have GoPro.
Yeah, maybe you can use GoPro. Like
Ooh, should we use GoPro chat?
If the earphone is above the pad and then just put the GoPro, then that will work. No, I'm not sure. You use my drink
Chat
wine.
Legend says if you are out on the water and listen real hard, you can still hear the soft whispers of stay hungry, stay foolish. And if you hear that it's time to run but it may be too late.
True.
네, 할까?
Almost there though.
Okay. Temperature. Today temperature gonna be around 20, which means it's gonna be pretty hot. 괜찮아? Tony is on North tomorrow. Oh, look at the ocean side. Just small, like. Oh no, she's deserted. She's keep finding us. Oh no.
Is Tony coming back as well?
No, she's finding us. She's like, help me, like that.
Come on! We gotta do scuba diving! Oh, we're stuck. Okay?
Oh, that's fine.
Okay, we arrived. We're docking up. Oh. We're docking.
Good job.
Yes.
Evergreen? What is evergreen? How can we go inside?
Mm,
Can you give me the product?
parking.
No.
You gotta park. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna do the docking now, guys. You guys ready? Oh! Going in? Going in? Oh. Oh, going in. Oh. 끼는 거 아니야?